Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is, what is today? Thursday? Yeah, Thursday, February 11th. Time is 8:54 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So here's a trade that I'm in. Was long 10 contracts from 61, right here off of this bar. Ran up 10 ticks, half off, got stopped out, got right back in it again over here. Up 10 ticks, out half now, and still currently in this trade. 5 contracts long at 26.61. So, just amazing push down overnight. I mean, actually, we just been kind of riding down, bouncing off this MA, if you will. Long-term trend is still down. Well, at least for the 30-minute anyway. So, just kind of taking advantage of scalps right now. And I'm expecting kind of somewhat of a breakup, probably back up in here, and then I'll gauge if chance we may push on up into the market profile or not at that point. But right now, just kind of sitting steady, taking advantage of this chop. You know, all this yellow is kind of chop on the alchemy. But we have some confirmation green signals here. A new one just popped up over here. So I think I'm in a good position at the moment. So we'll just kind of see. All right, guys, I'll be back and we'll see which way. Okay, I pulled 2 of them off right here at 81. Still long 3 contracts, 26.61. Stop still sitting at break even. Just below the VWAP here, and line up actually right on this moving average right now. So if we continue to push up, I'll just adjust my stop upward now. So just kind of peeling off as I still don't know if we're in chop or not. This channel that's been going on since roughly 3:30 this morning, still kind of just moving around. So stochastic sitting dead in the middle, so this joker could actually go either way still, but it's oil, so stochastics really don't carry too much weight anyway. But we're starting to reach the breach over the expected volume, so that's kind of a good sign as far as starting to get into a trend as well. So all right, guys, be back in a minute. All right, I closed that one at 63. A lot of aggressive sellers came in on this one, so just kind of want to watch at this point. I think I would have got stopped out of here anyway. So now just kind of gauging and seeing which way we want to go. So out of the market for the moment, and I'll be back when I get back in again. All right, see you soon. Okay, just got back in long again at 64. See if I can get this stuff adjusted quick enough. So I'm going to pull half off. Okay, dang it, okay, there it is. Okay, half off at 76, so 12 ticks. I just took that at market. It was pushing so quick. Going to move my stop. Right there at 64 again. Okay, stop is set it. And submit. I got to remember to submit those. Stop is set at 64. So out half again. Long 5 contracts here at 26.64, and we'll see what kind of happens from this point. So still chop, but it's a decent chop to kind of grab on either side at the moment. So I'm grabbing it from the long side, as nothing seems to really be breaking below the moving average here lately. And seems the VWAP is being respected as well. So I'm just taking long positions until something different shows up. All right, guys, I'll be back in a minute. Wow, that's a real decent push up. I'm going to pull 2 contracts off right here at market, see where we can get out at. Okay, 2 off at 94. That's for 30 ticks. Stop is still sitting at break even at the moment. So it's kind of a break that I was looking for on the long side. So I'm going to see, where can I move my stop? Move my stop up to, no, I'm not, 68, 64. I'm going to move it up to 68, and that'll lock in 4 ticks right there off the moving average. So 3 contracts long, 26.64. All right, be back in a minute. All right, stopped out at 68 on that trade there. So I'm out of the market and going to regauge. We had a lot of action going on right in here. You got a lot of sporadic prints on these areas, but this seems to be like a valid reversal cluster here. So I'm going to sit and watch for a moment and kind of gauge it from this point. So, all right, I'll be back shortly. Okay, boy, this happened real quick. Pulled the trigger at 77. A lot of fluctuation right there. As soon as I pulled it, that joker jumped. So I like seeing stuff like that. Long 26.77. Half came off at 87. Right here. And now I'm going to be moving my stop to let's see, do I want to go there yet? Well, my stop was at 61 originally, just below this line here. I'm going to leave it at 71 for the moment. And that's still a six tick stop. So actually, I'm going to move it up to 72. So that'll make it a true scratch trade if I do get hit. So, all right, guys. Actually, I'm only a few $100s short from profit goals. So, depending on kind of where we end up on this one, this may be my last trade here. If we push on up, probably around to the moving average, or if we can gauge it from there. So, all right, guys, I'll be back shortly and we'll see where we're at. Okay, just sold 2 at 97. That's for 20 ticks. Still long 3 contracts at 26.77. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up to break even. And gauge it from this point. I'll look to, if we can push on up here to the moving average around 27.22, I'll look to pull off 2 more contracts and let the last one run. I'm actually at my profit goal right now, so regardless of whatever happens, this is going to be my last trade, and we'll see if we can get some kind of a runner out of it. All right, guys, I'll be back shortly and we'll see where we at. Hey guys, stop was just hit, and that's going to be a wrap for me. So not sure what my tick count is, but I know my profit margin has been met. So, all right, thanks for watching. This was just a bunch of little bitty scalps, no real runner this morning, but it works just as well. Utilizing my trading strategy and risk management. All right, guys, see you next video.